Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Furutech. OnePlus is constantly trying to provide the best software experience for their OnePlus users by releasing software updates for OxygenOS. The OnePlus 13 series devices have started receiving another big January 2026 update. Its version number is 16.0.5. I am using OnePlus 13R with OxygenOS 16.0.2 V400 and yesterday I got this new 800 MB update with big changelog. As this is a release candidate update, it will be available only for first few users. I install it and today in this first part of the video, we are going to check out all the new amazing features of this update. I also discovered two more features that are not mentioned in the changelog. Our channel always tries to provide thorough review of all OxygenOS updates along with their features, battery life, performance and gaming via part 1 and part 2 videos of such updates. If you find our content useful, please smash the like button, hit the hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. Once we update the device in OxygenOS software details, OxygenOS version will be mentioned as OxygenOS 16.0.3500 without any SOTA tag. In version details, same will be mentioned. The SOTA version number is not yet available, maybe because OnePlus 13 series still hasn't received December 2025 SOTA update, which you already reviewed yesterday. You will find that video review link in the iCard and in video description. Finally, the security patches are updated to latest January 2026. This update has some amazing features additions that are mentioned in the changelog. Let's check out them one by one. But two more features I found in this update which I shown at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first change in this update is related to OxygenOS Launcher app drawer. In the app drawer, OnePlus has already added the new categorized section where all the applications are automatically categorized into the different sections using the AI feature. Now OnePlus AI will efficiently categorize the finance and hobbies applications. Here you can find all my financial and hobbies work applications accurately categorized in the different sections, which helps me to find respective applications easily. Next are features related to OnePlus photo application. In this update for private save album, you get the slider control to easily scroll through your content. This was only available for normal albums in the previous versions. Similarly, you can now search for the files available in the album of private save using search option. Next, you can directly share any content from private save without removing it from the private save, which was not possible in the previous OxygenOS versions. Next are some features that are not mentioned in the changelog but they are available in this version. The first one is the most anticipated feature, that is live alert for sports scores. This was previously only available for OnePlus 15 and 13 devices. To make this work, make sure under notification and quick setting option in the live alert setting for Google application, you enable the live alert notification toggle for sports categories. After this, if you get any live alert score notification for any ongoing sport activities you selected in a Google Sports notification like football or cricket match live scores, you will get them in a live alert. Next is feature related to circle to search. In a previous OxygenOS version, to use circle to search feature, we needed to keep navbar active. So we can long press on it and access the circle to search, but now even if you disable the navbar by long pressing on the navbar location, you can still activate the circle to search feature. Next is biggest addition of this version, that is system-wide bypass charging mode. You get a new bypass charging toggle under battery and charging setting. This is a new feature that helps you to use bypass charging feature not only for games but also for overall system or any kind of applications you are using when this toggle is activated. Here you get the slider control to set the threshold level of charging when this feature should be activated. To enable this feature, first connect the charger, enable the bypass charging toggle. Now you can set any battery charging threshold level when bypass charging will be activated. Here we get the 20%, 40%, 60% or 80% battery threshold levels. So I set it to 80% and my device battery is already at the 97% level. The system immediately activated the bypass charging mode. You will get its notification when it's activated. When the bypass charging is activated, power supply will be directly available for system component instead of charging the device for further use. This means if your device is at the 97% charging level, it will remain at this level constantly. No battery drain or charge will happen. The system will use power supply skipping the battery power. This helps to reduce the battery heating, so battery wear and tear will be reduced. As device heating will be low, CPU throttling will happen less as compared to traditional process. I will test this feature in upcoming days and will release a separate video with detailed review of bypass charging. My initial impression of the device performance with this new version is great. Everything is feeling buttery smooth. But as always, we release a separate second part of performance, battery life and gaming review for all OxygenOS updates. I will use my 13R on this version for at least 2 to 3 days and will release a new video soon. So stay tuned. This is all about for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and hit the hype button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus, OxygenOS and Android mods. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.